Hello everybody, si EK nandito at nalaro ako ng Minecraft. Yung mga tropa ko, yung sabihin kayo, ang nandito kasama sa akin. Also, nasa mining ako. Also, nagkuha ako ng creative mode habang bago ako nagkuha ng video na to. So, wag kayo magtawag ako ng cheater. Sorry mag-cheat. Galing naman yun. Uy, cool. Cool. That's 19. Yoko na. Nung tong ilaw. Ay. Nansan. Kanini pa. Bakit ko nauubos? I mean, I've been wanting to do my first ever live stream, but I just don't know how to do it. So if you guys know how to do it, type it in the comments. Also, this is what my base looks like from the outside. 2 beds. Also, the mobs couldn't see me when I'm in there. I don't know why, since glass is seen through. Fine. Okay, so tulog na ako. Goodbye guys.
Gagawa mo?